So we are still on indices, logarithm, and source of number. We have a question that says this 3 root 18 minus 16 root 2 plus root 50. We have to simplify this equation. So don't forget, we have this. So this means that a whole number is also what? Having a denominator of 1 and a denominator of 1. So the x here is this one here. That's which is root 2. So now 1 in root 2, that's root 2 times this. So we have root 2 into 3 root 18 minus root 2 in root 2, that's 1 times 16, 16. Plus 1 in root 2, that's root 2 times root 50. So I put it in the bracket so that we can get it simpler. So now before we continue expanding the brackets, we must get what's inside, so it's less form. We have 3 root 18. I'm doing it separately. So firstly, 18. In terms of 18, what are two numbers? One as a power square and another number that we want to multiply together to give us 18. That's 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is what? 18. So that means we have 3 times, don't forget, this is separated with times. 3 times root 9 times 2. 9 times 2, 18. So we have this back. So now if we continue to equate, we have 3 times root. So according to the laws of Surds, we can separate the times. So it's going to be root 9 times root 2. We can separate them by saying that root 9 times root 2. But if it is plus or minus, you just plug it or you minus it. But if it's multiplication, we can separate them. So now if we equate this, we have 3 times root 9 is what? 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 3 9. So times root 2. That's what 3 times 3, that's 9 root 2. So the simpler form of this is 9 root 2. So we put it in the bracket. So that's square root of 2 into 9 root 2. Then the other one also, which is the other one, which is the square root of 50. The square root of 50. So now dealing with the square root of 50, what are the two numbers we can multiply together to give us 50? One as a power square, the other as a figure. That's 25 and 5. 25 is a power square. That's root 25. 25 and 2, rather. 25 and 2. 25 times 2 is 50. So if we separate, we have to root 25 times root 2. The square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 5 times 5. So that's 5 times root 2 because of 5 root 2. So in terms of this, we put this instead of this. So we have the first one minus 16 plus square root of 2 into 5 root 2. So minus square root of 2 into 5 root 2. All over root 2. So let this not be confused. So all over root 2. So we have this now.